Hey there guys, welcome to another ride. Another beautiful day in paradise. I woke up this morning, checked the weather report, and looks like we got a big swell happening on the North Shore. So here we are at Waimea Bay Beach Park parking lot, and we can see that it's pretty crowded. So welcome to the most iconic place on the island of Oahu, Waimea Bay. It's famous for its 30-foot waves in the winter and a top place to watch some of the best and bravest surfers. There are great views from either side of the bay, from the rocky cliffs where we watched the surf last episode to the top road on the other side of the bay overlooking the surf. During the summer, this bay is completely docile, flat. It's great for snorkeling and diving, jumping off the Waimea rock. There are probably 30 guys out in the ocean, out catching waves. Waves are 20 to 25 feet today, and the shore break is massive, it's huge, pounding. The roads are congested with lots of traffic, people coming out, driving in from Waikiki, from Honolulu, and then the locals like me riding around on their bikes, trying to get as much visuals as we can. This always happens in Waimea Bay in the winter. We get these huge swells that come in. It's amazing today. Another thing you can do is go to the Waimea Valley Park, where Waimea Falls, and a very beautiful tropical botanical garden. So we just finished taking shots from up on the cliff above Waimea. Some great surfing shot. There was a bunch of pro photographers up there and a lot of cars parked up on the top cliff. Well, it's illegal to park cars on the top cliff. And are you noticing right now there is nobody following me? Well, the reason for that, I can ride right down the middle of the road, is the cops are up at the top of the lookout and they're towing cars. So there was a tow truck blocking the lane that I'm in right now, hooking a car up, and I get to ride this entire ride out to LANIAKEA with no cars on my lane. Great. I should do this all the time. Thank goodness for the police department.
As we chase the wind, looking for a wandering breeze. Something in the air that catches my eyes, shadows in the deep blue sea. Searching for the stars as the heavens roll by, trying to get a sextant sight. Chill of a tropical storm, gonna last all of the night. Troubles in the sky are a warning sign. You better keep an eye for the windward side. If you're gonna run, you gotta run mighty fast. There isn't any place that you can When you feel the force of the winds that blow, are you gonna give up and die? Or will you bend true like an old tall mast, dances when it touches the sky? Oh, the wind's gonna...
If you're coming from Honolulu, your first stop along the North Shore will be Haleiwa, about 1 hour drive from Waikiki, and you would enter from the south. But since we're coming from the north, the first thing we see is Haleiwa Beach Park, then WAIALUA Bay and Haleiwa Boat Harbor across the bay.
For the hurricane eye. Hurricane, hurricane, why don't you blow my troubles away? Hurricane, hurricane, are you gonna bring me a sunny day?
Next, we pass the historic Rainbow Bridge over the Oahu River, which marks the entrance to Old Haleiwa town. More than a laid-back surf town, it seems Haleiwa is filled with local style and country ambience. It's got cool surf shops, boutiques, charming art galleries, and understated restaurants housed in plantation-era buildings. Population's around 4,000.
No more coconuts in Coconut Grove. No more sugar on the sugarcane road. No more sand where the concrete grows. And there ain't no coconuts in Coconut Grove. Ain't no Frankie in Frankie's driving. No more flipping burgers for the population.
After a quick mile ride through town, we leave Kamehameha Highway and take a shaded route to Haleiwa Road, hoping to find surf at Haleiwa ALII Beach Park. We were not disappointed. It's the first stop on Hawaii's Triple Crown of Surfing, where pros and amateurs compete for the prestigious award by surfing at Haleiwa, then Sunset Beach, and finally Bonsai Pipeline.
There's no Joey in Coconut Joe. He's a young boy I met a long time ago. Playing a soup under a coconut tree, singing Manuela Boy in the key of C. coconut grove. No more
Well, now it's time to turn the trike around and head back home. Hopping on Cam Highway, looks like we got a little traffic. Everybody's heading out to the North Shore. What's going on out there? Oh, that's right. Lots of big waves.
no more coconuts and coconuts.